Hi guys! Welcome to this special episode of a one-bedroom unit at Uptown Arts Residence. So this is a new one kasi for the longest time we've been shooting videos that are semi-furnished, pero this time we will be showcasing a fully fitted, fully furnished unit. Thank you to my clients Sir A and Miss N for allowing me to shoot this video para may mapakita ako to the viewers. Sort of like an idea of how you can be creative with your space. So let's start the tour. So upon entering, what the client did here was to adjust the color. So initially, naka-wood tayo, nasa brown, pero ginawa nilang white because they want to go with the theme of modern contemporary para parang hotel vibes yung unit natin. And on this side, you would be having your video intercom, which is connected to the lobby. So if you have guests, visitors, you would be able to see them, but they cannot see you. Pero may access tayo to see kung sila ba talaga, to verify, just for security purposes. And ang maganda dito, our lock set is already digital. So you can access this to fingerprint, keycard, PIN, or passcode, or even a mechanical key. Yan. And ang ginawa ng client, they converted the lights into traditional one. Yan. Because they added lots of pin lights sa unit. So on this part, ito na yung very spacious dining area natin. So if mapapansin nyo, client decided to add 4-seater dining. And ang maganda dyan, we have an access here to a balcony. So facing tayo ng Makati skyline, that would be your unobstructed view, and you would be having the view of sunset on this part. And bago ko makalimutan, we also have our shoe closet or console area on this part. Yan. So basically sa condo, para mas ma-elevate natin yung space, because we know that a condo is usually smaller in terms of space, kailangan natin mag-add ng maraming mga cabinets. And across the dining would be your kitchen area. So for this part, almost the same yung kitchen natin, but client added upgrades. So itong unang papakita ko is really the deliverables of Uptown Arts Residence. Meron tayong quartz countertop, sink and faucet from Frankie. We have 2-zone cooktop, range hood, and a built-in, not built-in, but a retro fridge from Gorenhe, which are all European brands. Yung cabinets natin, soft close by Hacker, everything here you see is included upon delivery. Ang in-upgrade the client by changing the subway tiles into like a marble-like finish. So later in this video, makikita nyo bakit nag-decide si client to change this backsplash tiles para maging same siya with all of the units. And then, client added a microwave over here, kettle, and washer-dryer. In-enclose din nila yung space para at least hindi siya eyesore. And they added mirror panels para mas lumawak tingnan yung kitchen. And on this part, this is an additional storage or space where you can convert into your pantry or pwede ring shoe closet or anything that you would like the space to be. If marami kayong shoes, pwede rin gawing shoe closet. Yeah. And this is actually my favorite part, the living space. Kasi ang maganda dito sa one-bedroom unit, it's actually a corner layout. Yes, the cut may be irregular, but you can see that everything here is well maximized. So upon delivery, meron na rin tayo isang split-type inverter aircon, which is from Daikin. And this space is really just elevated. Na-maximize nila all angles, all edges of the unit. We have lots of pin lights, nagpa-drop ceiling si client para mas maging hotel feels yung unit natin. Then they added storage over here, fluted panels, and client wanted it to have like a more calm vibe, kaya they opted for a lighter shade color. Tapos ito nakita natin sa subway, sa backsplash tiles kanina. And this is actually one of the best part. Para kang merong sariling bay window overlooking to the BGC skyline and Makati skyline. So if gusto mong magmuni-muni, you can just sit here and relax and enjoy the view. Yan. So ang ganda lang talaga ng space dito. It's really elevated, and ang nagustuhan ko rin is this L-shaped sofa. Kasi imagine, despite the space, nagawa ng paraan ng interior designer na maglagay ng L-shaped couch, which is para mas maka-accommodate tayo ng mas maraming guests or visitors. And the best part here, pwede kang mag-Netflix and chill. So very cozy, sakto lang yung layo yung agwat ng sofa dun sa TV. And the best part is, you have extra storage dito sa ilalim ng mga couches. So dito, you have storage. You also have storage here. Yan. Pati dito. And guys, add ko lang din yung flooring natin. What you see is what you'll be getting. Hindi na binago ni client. And etong part na to, kung saan ako nakatayo, is our mini hallway going towards the common toilet and the bedroom. And dito, naglagay tayo ng parang art pieces to elevate the space. Yung mga doors ni client, guys, ginawa niyang white para mas maliwalas tingnan. Sa toilet and bath natin, it's actually the same. Yung tiles natin, as is yan, yung rain shower, water closet, bidet, lavatory, it's all the same. Client just elevated the space by adding cabinets here. Kasi again, inside the condo, we have limited space. So mas maganda kung marami tayong mga storage. And itong full glass enclosure, dinagdag lang ni client. Last but not the least, the master bedroom. So dito sa master bedroom, pagpasok natin, ang unang bubungad is itong queen size bed. So very cozy layout natin na parang hotel layout. Yes. And then sa part na to, we also have a balcony access and overlooking tayo sa pool area sa Uptown and Landers Mitsukoshi Mall. So basically, we have the view of BGC from the master bedroom. And dito sa space natin, we have like a mini table which you can convert into like an office. Meron tayong small chair dito. Pwede rin gawing vanity. Yan. So storage natin taas-baba. Sa part naman na to, so they made sure na hindi masasayang yung space na to. So they actually added a space para mas lumawak yung closet. Kasi again, very limited yung space natin sa condo. And syempre, split type inverter aircon is already included. Maganda dito, isa sa nagustuhan ko talaga sa design ng bedroom area is this, parang full-length mirror. So if in case after, if mag-OOTD ka, kukuha ka ng outfit mo, makita mo na if okay yung suot mo or not. And that's it, guys. This is a new tour na first time ko nagawa to tour actually a furnished unit. If you're interested with this similar layout, we still have few units left in Uptown Arts Residence. So our unit option ranges studio, 1 bedroom with maid's room, or an executive 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom, including loft type units. So to secure, it's only 60,000 and we offer 2 promo terms for Uptown Arts Residence. First is the rent-to-own scheme, wherein just hit 10% to process your move-in. And second, if you pay in full or cash term, you get 15% discount. And take note, you can split the payment in 3 months at 0% interest. So again, this is your MegaWorld agent Vince Ong. If you're interested, feel free to message me. My contact details are down below. Bye-bye!